Welcome to this short course using open educational resources for online learning and introduction. It's important to, at the outset, understand that this is just an introduction. So we're not going to introduce you to the use of the learning management system. We're going to look at ways in which we can use online applications and online open educational resources to cope in the short term while schools are closed. So this course results from the fact that campuses are empty, like in the first screen that we showed you, and normally our classrooms are full of children. So how do we help learning happen when we cannot be in the same time and the place as our learners? By the end of the course, we hope you will be in a position to make better use of existing resources, to supplement the curriculum with open educational resources to address particular learning needs, to provide learner and learning support at a distance, and to manage assessment and feedback appropriately, without always needing to be in the physical presence of your learners. The course comprises 4 units, using prescribed resources, supplementing prescribed resources with open educational resources, providing learner and learning support, and managing assessment and feedback. Each unit will probably take about 3 hours to complete, but it depends on how much additional reading you do. In units 2, 3, and 4, we have included a lot of optional extra reading that you can look through at your own time and according to your particular needs. We think that most teachers will require about 4 weeks to work through the course content, but you can go a bit faster. At the end, we will include a short quiz and an assignment for you to share, and once you have shared it, you'll be able to award a course completion certificate. The first unit deals with the use of prescribed learning resources, and here we will look at 2 different aspects: development of a learning or study schedule, and the development of activities that help learners to work independently with prescribed resources. In Unit 2, we will then try to identify the areas where there are usually challenges for learners in completing the curriculum, and then we'll try to find open educational resources to support the learners with those challenging areas. Then in Unit 3, we'll think about how we can keep communication occurring during the course of the learning process when we know that we cannot be in physical contact with our learners. So we'll look at frequently asked questions, we'll look at appropriate technology for appropriate purposes. And then finally in Unit 4, we know that learners require feedback on their assessment tasks. So we'll think about ways in which we can do that without necessarily needing to be in the classroom. So we hope you enjoy the course. As we said, it's merely an introduction. It should be a useful foundation for more in-depth study of online learning subsequently. Thank you very much. Enjoy the course.